Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan S. This is the ABS model, SE edition, two-tone blue and black, 650 twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This bike is in beautiful shape and it only has 810 miles. Just acquired from its original owner. Come by, make your motorcycle dreams come true with this beautiful Kawasaki Vulcan S ABS SE for just $59.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.